Since last week, 7 members of the Montana National Guard have been working here in Helena, assisting the state public health laboratory. They're playing a key role in helping to manage the COVID-19 tests that are being processed here.
We take up a lot of the tasks that take up time, but it allows the actual technicians and the medical personnel to do their medical duties. So a lot of sorting, a lot of the double checking the last names. It may seem kind of redundant and small, but in the medical field, it takes up a lot of your time.
Captain Ken Woolington is the officer in charge. He and the other soldiers are all volunteering.
Being in the National Guard, you get to serve your state. So that was really nice to be able to serve my local community and people that I probably see on a daily basis. So that was one of the reasons I definitely jumped at the opportunity to volunteer. I wanted to help out, and I knew this was a way to help out.
Much of the work they're doing is logistical, checking documentation, entering data, and sending tests to other locations. On one day this week, the Guard assisted with 900 test samples that arrived at the lab, many in large crates and coolers.
This morning when we started, it was just this little row right here. And then from here on forward was today's test that came in.
Woolington says this work has given him a different understanding of the situation in the state.
When you get involved in any situation, when you get kind of behind that green curtain, if you will, you're like, wow, we're seeing tests come from eastern Montana, from local, from western Montana, just the amount of it. And it really does give you that insider perspective.
Montana DPHHS says they're grateful for how the Guard is helping their efforts. In a statement, they said, "The Montana Army National Guard has played a major role in the state's response to COVID-19 and has been an excellent partner with DPHHS. We appreciate this continued partnership and welcome the support that's been provided since September 15th. Woolington says it hasn't been determined how long the Guard will stay at the lab, but he expects to be there for a while longer, and he's proud to keep doing this work.
It really brings home like, wow, we're definitely helping people and it's affecting people, and that's what we're here to do.
By the end of this week, a total of 107 Guard members will be assisting with COVID-19 response across Montana. In Helena, Jonathan Amberian, MTN News.